Hello, greetings from Boonri. Today's topic is, what does your dog's sleeping position mean? Watch ahead to know more. As much as dogs like to run, play, and sniff out the world around them, they also like to snooze. Just like we humans tend to sleep in different positions, even dogs sleep in a variety of positions. For good health, it is recommended that humans take at least 8 hours of sleep a day. Similarly, healthy adult dogs spend an average of 12 to 14 hours per day sleeping. Dog sleeping positions are like little clues that can give insight into how they are, both physically and mentally. Sleeping habits can give clues about a dog's health and happiness that you can interpret if you know what to look for. Of course, if you spot anything unusual or different about your dog's sleeping behaviors, you should get to your vet for a checkup immediately. What do the different sleeping positions of the dog mean? Watch ahead. There are different sleeping positions in dogs, but some of the most common ones are as follows. Number 1. This is called the donut or curled up position. When a dog sleeps in this position, it means that they seek to protect themselves. This is also a favorite position for dogs when they are cold. Why do they curl up in a ball? That's because they are attempting to preserve their body heat. Number 2. On the back or belly up or crazy legs position. For example, after a busy, hectic work, we start sweating on our foreheads, body, hands, right? What about dogs? Dogs sweat too, but not on their foreheads, rather through their paws and their belly, which is a source of heat. When they sleep on their back with their belly in the air and paws up, this means they are trying to keep cool. Number 3. It's called the Superman position. When your dog sleeps on their stomach with their back legs behind them and their front legs stretched forward, it looks like a Superman pose. What does it mean? It means that they are tired, and this position allows for dogs to snooze quickly, but they're ready to play if the opportunity arises and to hop up at a moment's notice to play. This Superman position is a really common sleeping pose for most of the high-energy dogs, and this happens especially during the daytime. Is that all? No, there are more dog sleeping positions. Watch ahead. Number 4. The side sleeping pose. When your dog sleeps on their side, it means they feel relaxed and safe in their environment. It's also when they're likely to get the most deep sleep. Number 5. The lion pose. This is when your dog sleeps with their head on top of their paws, similar to statues of lions. What does this mean? It means they are resting, but not sleeping deeply. This is to relieve themselves of stress and lie comfortably so that if they feel, they can jump up quickly. Number 6. The back-to-back position. Some dogs like to cuddle up and get as close as possible by placing their back next to either you or another dog. This position is a sign of love and comfort and indicates a sense of intimacy. So when a dog sleeps in this position, they are showing you affection and trust. So the next time you see your dog sleeping in any of these positions, you will know what it means.